I really want to go on that road down to there, but I'm pretty sure there's a gate on it. And then there's another road over there on the other side of this parking lot, but it's
we checked it out. It's just a little too advanced for us.
This is one of those things where if there's not a gate, I'm actually going to lose my mind, because this very much feels like one of those roads where they wouldn't. Like,
there should be a gate.
I want to be on that road so bad. There's not a gate. Technical section. Oh, this is a beauty.
Hey friend, here we are.
Welcome back to VanLife in Alaska.
VanLife.
What do you think?
It's awesome!
Way to go, Alaska.
Way to go.
It's like a pretty mellow road, actually, but your lens of seeing how gnarly something is completely changed when you're in a van. Whereas if we were in a Jeep right now, it would be like, okay, let's go over there now. The cabin vibes are strong in here. I really like it. Even Janelle's little plant. I like it. Nice plant.
Thanks. That's the first time you said that.
Our cubbies here on the right side have been working well because we can get clothes out of them while we're still in bed, which is actually pretty convenient. Sometimes I need to shuffle out of the way a little bit so that way Janelle can get her stuff. But you can easily open the doors over these blankets, which is the big win. Our electrical system up here has been performing flawless. Not all these switches are wired up to their correct things because we didn't finish that before we left on our trip. But the timer here for the water heater works fantastic. That's very bright. You can see here we've got 45% of our 400 amp hours left. That's because we've been having some cloudy days, haven't been driving as far, and we've been making some hot water for some amazing showers. But everything's been working really well, which is kind of surprising. I was waiting for more things to not work that I would have to fix on the road. But besides the fact that things weren't all the way wired up when we left, the van's been working great, suspiciously well. I've been waiting for something mechanical to break down besides our muffler cracking at the beginning of this trip. But everything's been working real awesome. Do you think the camera can hear the wind?
I hope so. It's part of this memory. So windy. From like 1 a.m, the wind just started howling and our whole van was shaking like a washing machine. All night. And I feel like it's died down a little bit, but it's still really breezy.
Driving on these roads in the mountains is probably my favorite kind of driving.
They're pretty fun, kind of windy sometimes.
And just the ragged peaks just like sticking up everywhere. So my theory is if from the windows you can't really see inside, then maybe whoever is willing to break windows open to try steal valuables maybe will pass us on for the next van. But yeah, the curtain actually works very well. And it's also a nice blackout curtain for when we want to sleep in to like 9 or 10 in the morning.
Which happens pretty often, to be honest.
So now, let's get our legs moving and go right up there.
This is so cool.
This is great.
I'm so glad we're doing this. We almost were gonna drive by. And then we saw the ridge from the road. Like, we have to do that.
What did the description say?
Steep, primitive, difficult.
Ridgeline hike.
Ridgeline hike to glacier.
This is mind-blowing. Wow. Have you ever hiked a ridge trail like that?
No, never.
That's like the perfect spine. That feels amazing. Good research on this hike, babe.
Thanks.
I'm thoroughly satisfied.
It's a good find.
It's a really good find. I think we're going to take a break from the vlog for a moment, and our next big set of activities are going to take place in Whittier. Oh, it's like a cute little A-frame over the tunnel.
I wasn't expecting an opening like that. This is like a tunnel that's used for traffic both ways and train.
This is so cool.
Crazy. We're like driving right on the train tracks.
Welcome to Whittier, Janelle.
Thank you.
Why do you have a jacket on? It's not that cold outside.
We are going on a boat. We're gonna try to hunt down some icebergs or glaciers or something like that.
The town of Whittier is pretty cute.
Thank you. It's hard to know like what the locals would do here other than boat.
You can hop in when you're ready.
We've seen a lot of Alaska by land, and this is our first time seeing it by water.
Gonna go find some glaciers.
Yeah, find some glaciers.
Okay, so we are currently heading up into an area called Blackstone Bay. There's a massive glacier at the end of it.
That's so cool. Oh my goodness.
We're pulling up here next to the glacier. We've got a stand-up paddleboard. Jason here is gonna fly the drone. How are you feeling about this?
I'm feeling very overly confident.
First flight, I'm fine with losing the Phantom 4. This guy's had a good life. We're gonna paddleboard next to a glacier, dude.
I know, that's so exciting.
Flies right here.
Yep.
I'm about to grab him.
Pull in.
I'll come back.
Good luck.
Woo! Yeah! Oh my goodness. Make sure you hit record.
Make sure you hit record.
I'm recording. What?
It is humbling being out here right now. I'm just, the adrenaline is just pulsing. This is once in a lifetime. I am just like shocked right now. So pumped. This is amazing. I just fell in the water like an idiot. I'm completely soaked. That was awesome.
You totally fell in.
I totally fell in.
Paddleboarding and swimming.
Paddleboarding and swimming in one go, except my head didn't go under, so it's not a real polar plunge. Woo! Woo! Heck no.
You died?
That's so cool. Woo! Thanks, Alaska, for the swim. Well, Gabe,
Nice to meet you, man. I added you on the old Instagram, so.
better than any tour we could have paid for. I really appreciate that.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Well, it's kind of sad. This is kind of nearing the end of our time in Alaska.
Tomorrow we start the blitz down south for the start of your job.
Yeah, I start a job really soon, and so we have to start driving, and it's really bittersweet. We've like packed a lot into our time here, but there's like so much more we could see. We could spend like months.
Maybe that means we
Yeah.
gotta come back sometime.
I think we do have to come back sometime.
Obviously, the little moments that end up being in these videos are just a small little portion of our trip here, but overall, it's been really good.
If you want, you can go back and watch our whole build series and previous videos from our trip. But that's it for this one. Remember,
Life's better when you make stuff. Peace.